Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Rocky Linux. First open any web browser, then go to Apache friends.org to download the XAMPP. See here, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. It is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. And see here, we have this XAMPP for Linux and its version is 8.2. Click on it. See, wait a moment, it is going to download. Click on downloads. See, download has been started and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have XAMPP run file. Let us try to run this file. Sudo dot, then give XAMPP, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, we cannot run. So first we have to grant the privileges. Sudo chmod 755. Give the XAMPP file name, hit enter. Now run the same sudo dot, then run file, hit enter. See, now we are able to execute. Now click on next. See here we have the XAMPP core files and XAMPP developer files. You can select or unselect only this XAMPP developer files. Then click on next. See, this is the installation directory, that is /opt and lamp. Click on next, then click on next to start the installation. See, installation has been started. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. See, installation has been completed. Keep the checkbox, that is launch XAMPP, and click on finish. See, this is XAMPP control panel. Go to manage servers. See, all servers are stopped. So let us start the Apache web server. Just select it and click on start. See, we are unable to start, but we are able to start both SQL and Pro FTPD. Click on start. Why? Because we are unable to start, we have to install the libsnl. See, MySQL and Pro FTP started. So to start Apache web server, we have to install sudo enf install libnsl. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Now see, we have successfully installed libnsl, that is library nsl. So now click on start. See, we have successfully started. Now go to new tab, then give the localhost and hit enter. See, if you receive this page, means we have successfully installed XAMPP for Linux 8.2.12. Now we will create sample PHP script and compile it. Go to terminal, cd, go to install directory, that is /opt lamp ls. See here we have these files. Now go to htdocs ls. See here we have the index.php. We can give here. You can give, instead of dashboard also, it will give the same page. It will redirect it to this page. See, we got the same. Okay. Now create a sample PHP program, PHP file, sudo vi schools.php. Put the PHP tags, press I to insert mode. Put semicolon after each statement. Now echo. After this statement also put semicolon. Now save the file. Now go to a browser, replace this with r2schools.php. Hit enter. See, we got the same output whatever we have given. Now go to control panel and stop the Apache web server. Now try to reload the page. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, so to execute any PHP scripts, the Apache web server must be started. So click on start. Now reload the page. See, we are able to. Okay, now we will see how to create database. Click on phpMyAdmin, then click on new, then provide the database. I'm giving r2schools, then click on create. See, new database is there. You can also create by going to running the queries. Select query, then create database, or you can create tables. Select it and submit query. Refresh this page. See, new database is there. Whatever the queries that we are running here, those are running against this r2schools. See here, the DB is r2schools. Okay, if you want to run queries against this one, just click on here. Click on OK. See, database has been changed. Now you have to go to query and you have to run the queries. If you want to verify the database, select version, then run the submit query. See, we have installed MariaDB. Okay, if you want to create tables, just give create table student snum int. Select the query, click on submit query. It is created. Now if you expand this, refresh, see, we have one table. Okay, the last option that I am going to show you is, suppose if you close this one, and again if you want to open the control panel, how we can do that? By going to terminal, ls, go up, ls, pwd, in this opt/lamp we have the manager linux -x64.run. Now run, just give this one, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is permission in it, so give the sudo and hit enter. See, now we got the XAMPP control panel. Now see here, all the services running. Okay, the last step that I am going to show is control C to quit. Go to home directory, cd, downloads, ls, remove this file because we have already installed. To clear the space, we have to remove it. Hit enter, ls. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure XAMPP 8.2 on Oracle Linux operating system. For more PHP and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel.